Alright guys, well you see from the title of the video, it is time to do my regrowth, plus I'm going to attempt to fix some uneven banding I have throughout my hair from years of doing sort of like those vivid colours and those semi-permanent colours in my hair. It's left my hair a little bit orange, and I have never been game enough to apply bleach to the ends of my hair. This time I'm going to attempt to fix some of that banding in my own sort of way. Fingers crossed it all goes to plan. But yeah, so pretty simple. I'm going to start with just a scalp bleach just to do my regrowth, give that as long a process as possible, and then I'm going to go through and section out smaller pieces just to lighten them down. I'm going to be doing a 9% on my roots. I have quite dark roots, they take quite a lot to lift, so I'm using a 9% on my scalp, or a 30 volt on my scalp, and then for the end, or sorry, not the ends, but the mid shafts, I'm going to be doing 20%, so a 6%, so a 20 volt. So I'm just using natural light. I just wanted to show you guys the banding that I'm talking about. Hopefully it's coming across, but as you can see, the ends of my hair tend to be a little bit more orange, brassy compared to the, obviously not the regrowth, but the top part of my hair. So I just want to fix it. It tends to be a little bit worse underneath, but I definitely just want to help sort of streamline and even out the color a little bit more. Wet the inside of a shower cap, and that just helps to stop the bleach from drying out, and I leave it on for about 45 minutes. I just keep checking it, and then once I think it's lightened enough, and then I rinse it. Alright, so this is the bleach washed out. It actually doesn't look too bad in these lights. It's pretty light. It looks quite pale here, but it is very yellow, sort of at the root, a little bit orange through the ends, but I am going to now tone it. Okay, so I use Solfine. I'm thinking what I'm going to be doing is, I've got two different levels. I've got a 9C and an 8C. So I think I'm going to put the 9 on the root and the 8 on the ends. Fingers crossed that actually is the right thing and it turns out okay. Alright, so that's the two toners in. Looks very promising, but it's not going to come out dark, I hope. So we'll give this, I usually go like half an hour, 45 minutes again with the toner, and I just leave it in. Yeah. Okay, finished. I did my best, kind of. I probably could have gone a little bit heavier and thicker with application of the bleach to the sort of lengths of the hair, but I must admit I was wussing out and I was afraid if I did it, it would just fry it. I think it's pretty good. It definitely has overtoned in the roots a lot, particularly in the back. that generally calms down over a couple of washes or two. So that's not a big deal. I definitely think some of that real orangey contrast has gone from in the lengths, which is really, really nice. It's definitely not all gone. I will show you in the natural light so you can get a better idea. It's given me inspiration though. I definitely want to go in the darker, get a little bit darker in the root, not dark. I can see it in my mind already. I mean, it's probably way out of my skill level, but I definitely want to give it a go, and then I want to bring some of that color down into it. I have purchased one of those baby light combs, so I'm just waiting on that to arrive, and maybe that can help me, you know, section out, because that's quite hard, that the way that the hairdressers do it. But, you know, this is it. If you're still watching, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.